ulat shaduh shapoh ka Law Kyntang Mawphlang, iaroh ia ka jingitynnad ka mariang. Ka jingriban ka Law Kyntang Mawphlang ka lapelong ia ulat ka jela UCH Vijaya Shankar ban ai ka jingiroh ka bakraw, ia kinong pet ki bala banri bat sumar ia ka tay ka klaw na du hindai tat hadu kini kisngi. Ya kani ulapan pau hadien ba ula Rung ban saki hidaladi ya ka tay ka Law Kyntang ka bahe tam ha rilom khasi jaintia haringkat ka jingdan lang UCM ka KCDC ba penya sing siem nangta ulingdo ka hima Mawphlang bat kiwe na kadyang gisamla ki baju yalam ya ki nong jungok kai haba ki wan kai syakatay ka Law Kyntang kila pelut por lang ban batay banya ba syapang ki jad ding ki ba pher ki badan ha katay ka klaw kile thu ru ha uba wat la ki pat ba ki la ban Rung ban mi kat ba ki kwa shapoh ka klaw henrei kem la pat ban ra ai na po ka te ka klaw shabar
em đây em dạy nó tích cái làm oh, he said the forest won't need umbrella. Forest will take care of us. Yeah, yes, sir. Mas lawai mujah tu nanti. Okey kurang lah. The name of this god is called Mawphor. So we as Khasi, we also have a culture that if there's a king in any kingdom of Meghalaya, that king should always have a sacred forest. The reason of why a king needs to have sacred forest is because during the times of epidemic crisis or anything as such, he would be using this sacred forest to be more of a temple or a church or a holy place which we would be conducting this ritual. Okay, we have been preserving this forest for the last 600 to 800 years old. So till today it's still considered preserved and untouched. In a sense, nothing is allowed to be taken out from this forest. So this rule is not only applied to visitors who come to this place, but also to every human being who comes to this forest. Okay. So inside we also have some of the flora and the fauna which are here. So terms of local medicinal use, some of them which are also well prescribed by the professionals. For example, we have one of the dominated species of tree which we have here, which are the oak species. Here's our oak species are one of the species of trees which is also surviving in places which is as dense and also as thick as this one, where it's closer to the source of water streams.
99% of the species we can say it as a native species.
Yes, sir.
Native species.
Yes. More of them are, some of them are also in the endangered species which are still available in this place, and which most of these plant species are not, some of them which are not available in other parts, but they still here. And more of the plants which are here are also, like you told, they are only present.
Any fruit bearing trees we can find here?
We do have, sir, but more of them are actually the citrus fruit, which during this time is
any
not
flower bearing?
We do have. Like the most popular one is the Marica esculenta, which is also called as the bayberry.
Okay.
It's quite sour in the taste, which is there in the month of May, June. You can also have a taste of it. And when it comes to the food, some of the locals, they also use to prepare local kind of medicine use, which they use it in terms of when they have gastric problem and stuff like that.
Have you been identified which are the trees can be used for the medicinal
Sure.
purpose and all that.
Sure.
Could you able to quote some of the trees like that here?
Yes. I would like to show you once we are. That oil, and from that oil is used to process into a medicine, which can be used for anti-cancer treatment medicine.
Oh, very fine. No, based on such a trees, any action being taken to preserve those species?
It's called as iaroh. So this one is quite old, it's never bearing fruit any longer. Otherwise, by this time it's actually the flowering season. So it's almost end, when it comes to the flowers, almost end, then it gives out fruit. So fruit is an edible fruit where mostly Khasi used to eat it. They also used to make pickles out of the fruit. And when it comes to the Hindu culture, they actually use it as a sacred item where they wear as an ornament.
This one, you know.
Yes, this one. I know, sir. I would also like to show you some which is from the forest. Sir. Come, show you more. This is one of. And one thing, sir, about these sacred things, even a lot of valuable things are which are there inside the forest. But here we have, what you say, like we actually believe that nothing can be collected from this forest. It is actually considered to be as a curse. Can be collecting anything.
Almost preserved. Preserved in nature. Not only reserved, preserved. Although actually,
Yes, every
Red also they used to take.
mandatory is mandatory. Everyone
Because
comes
the forest, you don't know about the culture, the history of the forest. It's good also. It's good also.
and it provides job for the youth also.
Oh, 100%.
And the best thing is when we have guide services, we are not allowing people to go here and there.
Okay.
And now I also urge these people who are actually
Ultimately,
taking
however you guide, they have to
thing,
follow it.
please try not to destroy all the plants which are here. Because when it comes to a forest which is as dense and thick as this one, the growing process for these smaller plants is actually quite difficult. Because there's no presence of chlorophyll which can trespass inside.
Outside, I'll give you some.
How many things learn from you?
Yeah, actually here, if I explain you about the Rudraksha, have the different line also. This is the 6-mukhi Rudraksha, 7-mukhi, 3-mukhi, 4-mukhi. They have different line. But we get from, especially from the 1 up to 21. But it depends on the year also we get this Rudraksha. Not get like easily every year. It depends on the year only. It might be fall one in the 3 years, in 4 years, up to 12 years also, like the 1-piece Rudraksha. I think 1-piece Rudraksha is very good like for you also. Okay. Yes.
Could you ever earlier to 72? Would like to have photo? Then all the friends from Assam, they can come now. Yes, they can have a photo. Please come.